Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to stop talkback in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to stop your talkback in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you stop in your Realme phone? In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you new in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So guys, now let's see how to stop talkback. So first of all guys, you can see your setting app. So I tap here and guys to tap. Then guys use your two fingers. So you can use guys your talk back like that with any two finger guys, you can use it to stop it. Then guys you can see system setting and tap here, and guys you can like that double tap, and guys it will not work, so wait to tap continue. Then guys you can see accessibility guys, tap here, and guys to tap continue. Guys click on the vision like that, not vision, then you can scroll it, and guys it will not scroll, so guys tap here and double tap to stop. Then guys you can see talk back, tap here, double tap here, double tap. Friends, you can see stopping stop will talk back, so I tap here. So friends, you want to stop talk back, you can stop from here, double tap, then get talk back will stop in your real phone. Then guys you can use your phone without any problem friends. So like that guys, you can stop your talk back setting in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.